Okay, so it's clearly fall, and everything's about finished up in the garden. It's all looking crappy. But this here's one of my watermelons. I planted 2 varieties this year, and this in here is my biggest. I can't remember what variety it is. I'll have to look. But right here, you can see the end of it. It was literally attached to this dead snaggle here of a plant that has definitely seen its better day. But when this here turns brown is when I always heard you know that it's ready, or when the stem is brown and dried up. I got a few scabby spots on it, which is always supposed to indicate a ripe melon. It's still heavy. But up here I've got a few setting up on this here thingy, and you can see it's starting to turn brown, but the stem is still real green attached to the melon. So I'm going to let it go a little while longer. And the same with this one over here, I believe. Well, no, it's brown. See how that's brown there? Oh, yep, see, it just broke right off. Oop, and rolled away. So we're going to assume that one's ready, and we'll just keep this in here for a few more days. Oh, and it rolled away. You know, watermelon for snack. But that's one of the varieties I done. And then I got one of these here, little ones. We have one here, but look at that cute little, smaller than a tennis ball size melon. I can't even remember what's what. Okay, so the striped one with the lines is the Crimson Sweet. I'd look at my notes. It is seedy, and it does look pretty good. The small one that I showed you is actually called Sugar Baby, but they're clearly supposed to get bigger than that and be a dark green. I don't know if that one's going to make it or not. But this one here, come here, Eva, be my taste tester. Oh, look how juicy that is. Whew. No, there ain't no seed in that piece. Get it? I'll have to feed it to you. My bad. Huh? Is it good? Huh? Very juicy and sweet?
Yeah.
All right. 2 thumbs up. Way up. Oh, good catch, Doofus. Anyhow, them's the 2 varieties I growed. So far, this one seems to be a winner, but my gosh, they're seedy. And since we're talking about that, I will honestly take these seeds here out when we eat them, because the kids don't like them. So I'll take them out and separate them out. I'll do it over here talking about it.
My mom put them on that napkin.
Yep, put them on this here napkin while
we
I'm
can
gathering
get
them.
more watermelon.
Yep, we'll grow more. See how? Oh my gosh, that is super juicy and sweet. It'd be better if it's cold, but it's hard to be cold when it's hot outside. Anyhow, I'll just take all these seeds out of right here. You want to save the brown seeds, not any of them little dinky white ones that you find inside there. Oh, you just shot me in the face, girl.
Actually, do.
And as you can see, they're wet.
On the camera, I look really big.
But yeah, they're wet. I'll leave them be to dry off completely, label them, and then I'll store them away. But that's seriously all you got.
Get any seeds.
Well, good. You're a watermelon professional. That's literally all you gotta do is take the seed out, dry it, put it up. Watermelon seed saving is also going to be done.